Okay guys, so this is my first video. I want to show you how to fix your L and R3 buttons. Sometimes it got stuck if you use it a lot for running. To open this PS4 joystick controller, you have to open first on the back. There are 4 screwdrivers here, and all you need is a very tiny Phillips screwdriver. So let's go ahead and open all the 4. Right? It's going to be a bit hard. Put it in a container, so it doesn't get lost. Now, after that, there are four points where you need a flat screwdriver, which is quite small, and you have to press on the 4 points to get it pop up. So you go here, here, and then on the top here, on the right side, and on the left side here. So let's press a bit on that. It's a bit hard. It's already popped up here. It's already popped up there. Right, and then a bit here. It's a bit hard. Yeah, so you can see it's already popping up. Yeah. Now, you might wanna press it a bit here. There. Here. It's a bit hard. It's a bit hard. It's a bit hard. Press it a bit here. So now I've managed to get all the 4 pop up. But if you see inside, right, there's still a cable who's attaching the front and the back. You can see it here, right? This cable, and you need to pull it off, right? After that, just gently put it off, and there you've got the battery. You need to pop it off as well, right? And also the gasket. Just a bit pulling it. right? Now it's already you can see the motherboard here. There is one screwdriver here. You just need to unscrew it so we can pull off the motherboard. Right? After that, you have to play with it. You need to detach this one. That's why you need a tweezer here, and you need to detach this cable. This cable here. It's a bit tight here. There. Now we are ready to detach this one and flip it back. You need to be careful not to break this bolt. So just a bit lift on that part. Just a bit hold it. Right, a bit hold, and you know, you can leave it and just flip it. After that, just unpull this by holding this. Just pull that rubber, and then you can see the L and R. That's why we need a WD-40. WD-40. You just need to give some of that here, and here. That way, but try not to push it a bit hard. Just gently push it, so it's just some of it that gets out. So there. And then I will suggest to let it dry. Just play with it a bit. Let it dry, and maybe a bit blowing it, right? After that, your L and R thumb can works perfectly and back to normal like usual. Thank you.